Hello viewers, today we are going to start new topic which is insurance in Pakistan. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Now we will back to our topic insurance in Pakistan. Insurance in Pakistan is regulated under the Insurance Ordinance 2000. In the past few years, it has transformed into a developing and fast-growing market. It generally divided into three components. Number one is life insurance, number three is general insurance, and number three is health insurance. The government of Pakistan established the Department of Insurance in April 1948 as a department of the Ministry of Commerce. The insurance industry in Pakistan is relatively small compared to its peers in the region. The insurance penetration and destiny remained very modest and compared to other jurisdictions, while the insurance sector remained underdeveloped relative to its potential. Pakistan insurance market has undergone major structural change in last few years through mergers or companies to meet the increased statutory requirement of minimum paid up capital as per Insurance Ordinary 2000. Some companies who were unable to raise the capital have been asked to close down the operations. The Security of Exchange Commission of Pakistan Insurance Health Division is trying to improve the image of Pakistan insurance industry by issuing directive on financial security and transparency, code of government and sound market practice. Now, categories. Insurance can be divided into four categories. Number one is non-life, number two is life, number three is reinsured, number four is takaful. Companies. Many companies working in Pakistan on insurance. List of non-retail insurance companies in Pakistan. Number one is TPL Insurance Limited. Number two is State Life Insurance Corporation of Pakistan. Number three, Salam Takaful Limited. Number four is Jubilee Life, EFU Life, UBL Insures Limited, IGI Insurance, Admaji Insurance, Admaji Insurance Co Limited, Alpha Insurance Company Limited, Allianz EFU Health Insurance Limited, Alpha Insurance Co Limited, Asia Insurance Company Limited, Pak Qatar Takful Limited, Askari Jan Co Limited, Atlas Insurance Company Limited, Century Insurance Co Limited, Tube Insurance Pakistan Limited, Cooperative Society of Pakistan Limited, Crescent Star Insurance Limited, East West Insurance Company Limited, EFU General Institute Limited, Axel Insurance Company Limited, Habib Insurance Company Limited, IGI General Insurance Limited, Jubilee General Insurance Company Limited, New Hampshire Insurance Company, Premium Insurance Limited, Reliance Insurance Company Limited, Security Gen Insurance Company Limited, Shaheen Insurance Company Limited, Sindh Insurance Company Limited, SBI Insurance Company Limited, the Pakistan General Insurance Company Limited, UBL Insures Limited, United Insure Company Limited of Pakistan. Many companies were working on insurance in Pakistan. Many companies insurance working in Pakistan. Out of the 54%, the Pakistani services sector contributes the national GDP. Insurance along with transport, storage, communication and finance occupy 24% of sector. Many people working on this site and amazing. The Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, SECP, the Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan is a financial regulatory agency in Pakistan whose objective is to develop a modern and efficient corporate sector and a capital market based on sound authority principles in order to encourage investment and foster economy. Thanks for watching my video and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks.